হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, ছন্দে ছন্দে এবিসি শিখতে রেডি?
হ্যাঁ!
তবে চলো শুরু করি।
A, A, A. A is for apple, round and red, juicy and sweet. B, 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 B. B is for bear, fuzzy and soft, with furry hair. C, C, C. C is for cat, meow, 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 sitting on the mat. D, D, D. D is for dog, wag your tail and jump the log. Woof! E, E, E. E is for elephant, big floppy ears, he is elegant. F, 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 F is for fish, wiggle your fin, swish, swish, swish. G, G, G. G is for guitar, strum a happy song like a rock star. H, H, H. H is for house, cozy and warm, quiet as a mouse. I, I. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy, like a sweet dream. J, J, J. J is for jellyfish, glowing in the dark, make a wish. K, K, K. K is for kite, flying in the sky, reach a new height. L, 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 L is for lion, fuzzy gold mane, king of the plain. M, M, M. M is for moon, shining in the night, sleep tight soon. N, N, N. N is for nest, high in the tree, giving birds a rest. O, O, O. O is for orange, juicy and tart, nothing rhymes with orange. P, P, P. P is for penguin, sliding on the ice, let the fun begin. Q, Q, Q. Q is for queen, the fanciest lady that you've ever seen. R, R, R. R is for robot, beep, beep, boop, he helps a lot. S, S, S. S is for sun, hot and bright, warming everyone. T, T, T. T is for train, chugga, 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 choo, choo, down the lane. U, U, U. U is for umbrella, keep away the rain, happy little fella. V, 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 V. V is for violin, play a pretty song, lift up your chin. W, 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 W is for whale, big splashy tail, sailing the trail. X, X, X. X is for xylophone, ding, ding, dong, play it on your own. Y, Y, Y. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, watch it go. Z, Z, Z. Z is for zebra, stripes from head to toe, watch him go.
ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে লাইক, শেয়ার, সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলো না।